Welcome to CardioSource Communities, a space to ask questions, share knowledge, and collaborate. This video will walk you through how to complete basic activities on CardioSource Communities, including editing your community profile, commenting on articles around the site, contributing to a forum, and finding and joining groups. The community profile is your central space for connecting with peers. To navigate to your profile, click on the CardioSource Communities logo in the top right of the CardioSource website. Then click the My Community Profile icon. This is your community profile main page. To edit your community profile, click on Complete Your Profile on the right. When My Info is selected on the top left, you can upload a photo, enter a bio, or change your birthday or location. Click on My Preferences to choose your email settings, enter a signature that will appear on your postings to the forum, and update your blog settings. After saving your settings, you're taken back to the Recent Activity tab. On this tab, you can see all your activity on the site and updates from your friends. You'll notice 3 other tabs at the top. The People tab shows your friends on the site, the Groups tab shows what groups you have joined, and the Blog tab allows you to create a blog. Now that your profile is set up, you're ready to become active on the site. You can do so in several ways. You can comment on an article, participate in a forum discussion, or join a group. To comment on a piece of content, navigate to the item of interest. Scroll to the bottom of the page and start typing in the empty box. You can also reply to a specific comment by clicking the reply directly to the right of the original comment. Participating in a forum is just as easy. Start at the CardioSource Communities homepage. In the left-hand column, you'll see a header marked Latest Forums. You can find forums of interest here, or you can click on All Forums to see the full listing. To add to a discussion, click on the topic and then Start New Discussion. Give it a headline, post your comments or question, and then click Start Discussion. Groups can be accessed in a similar way to forums. From the CardioSource Communities homepage, you can see the most active groups and choose to join one. Or click All Groups and you'll see all of the existing groups. Once you're a member of the group, you can create blog posts, start discussions, add events of interest to the group, see current group members, and upload photos and videos for discussion. One last thing, how to make friends on CardioSource Communities. One way is to hover your mouse cursor over their profile picture. In the pop-up window, click on the icon of a person to request that person's friendship. Or click on their name to view their full profile, and then click on the person icon. Once your friend request is accepted, that person will appear in the People tab of your community profile. That's it. You're ready to begin connecting with CardioSource Communities. We'll be adding and improving the site in the coming weeks, so make sure to come back often.